Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the RDR2 out of memory or the no virtual memory error, and I will show you guys the exact solution to fix this error, so make sure you watch this entire video. First, go to your RDR2 game and click on the gear icon, go to its properties and just update your game, and this can fix your issue. So after the update you can see your problem is fixed or not, and if your problem is not fixed then you can go with the next solution. So you can go to the Windows search, and now here you can just type the view advanced system settings and now open it. So once you open it, just simply click on the settings in the performance. Now just simply click on the advanced, then click on the change, and now here you have to just select your C drive and just uncheck this box automatically manage paging and check this box of the custom size. Then go to the Windows search, type the calculator and open it. So now in the initial size you have to just type the memory, which is the 1.5 of your RAM, and in the maximum size you have to just type the memory, which is the 3 times of your RAM size. After that, now you have to just to calculate your memory, exact memory, you have to just open up your calculator and then just perform the action. So you have to just type the 8 and multiply it with the 1024 and you will get the value. So 8 is your RAM, and after that just copy this value and paste in the initial size, and in the maximum size just multiply it with the 3. After that just you will get the value, and you can just copy this value and then you can simply paste in the maximum size. So after you paste it, just click on the set, click on the OK, click on the OK again, and then simply click on the apply, click on the OK, and just restart your PC and your problem is fixed. And guys, there is 90% chances your problem is fixed. And let's say after this solution, if your problem is not fixed, then you can just update your graphic card. Go to your Windows search, type the device manager, open it, click on the display adapter, and you will see your graphic card. After you update it, you also need to update your operating system. So you can go to the Windows side, type the check for updates, open it. Now here, if there is any missing update, you can just simply update it. After that, just open up your Steam, and if you are still getting the error, then you can simply go to your RDR2 game, click on the gear icon, go to its properties, go to the install files, and then just simply click on the verify integrity of game files. After this built-in function will start repairing your files, or if there is any corrupted or missing file, then this function can fix your problem. After that, just restart your game and your problem is fixed. And guys, this is how you can fix the out of memory or no virtual memory problem. And guys, if this video fix your problem, then make sure you like this video, because this is the only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.